Good day everyone, I am Andrea Machina, second year college of Visayas State University, taking up Bachelor of Physical Education. For today's lesson, we will going to discuss about the Module 2, Lesson 2.1, Tribal Groups, Dances, and Their Hidden Meanings. Before we start our discussion, I have here some motivational questions. First is that, what are the different tribes in the Philippines? Nabaminasabtan ng mga different tribes sa Philippines? Then, what are the dances of the tribes in the Philippines? And every tribes unsa man kaha ang mga dances nga naa? Then, what are the meaning of the dances of the tribes in the Philippines? Or what are the hidden meaning? Unsay mga meaning sa dances nga naa na found sa different tribes sa Philippines? So, to answer that one, we will going to discuss it. So first, we have the Cordillera groups. In Cordillera group, we have here the Tarektek dance from Benguet. It is originally from Benguet. It is a love triangle dances representing Tarektek, a beautiful bird with long beak, an expression of affection, love, and courtship, imitating the movement of birds. It is a freedom and a self-expression is evident in this dancing. Tarektek dance is their way of expressing their love and affection to someone. And it is also a symbol of courtship. Just like sa ato culture, di ba? Kita if you are courting someone we love, we dedicate a song or we will write a love letter just to express our feelings to them. So, sa ilaha is through Tarektek dance. Mana ilahang way to court someone or sa courtship nila. Next, we have Bumuya or Dinuya. It is originally from Ifugao. It is a festival dance performed by the entire community to celebrate good and bountiful marriage, birth, and sometimes a feast of winning the tribal war. This Bumaya or Dinuya dance in Ifugao is just like a Thanksgiving dance performance by the entire community to celebrate good and bountiful marriage, birth, and etc. And also, it's just like a victory party celebration of a feast or for winning tribal war. So, murag nganhin nila gi-express ang ilahang victory sa or feast nila sa pagkadaog nila sa war, or it is somewhat a Thanksgiving dance na ila i-present as a sign of Thanksgiving. Next, we have Mangayaw. Mangayaw is originally from Bontoc. It is a ritual dance before a head-hunting expedition, or for revenge or economic survival due to necessity and sometimes the dictate of tribal rules. Mangayaw is a ritual dance na ilaha himuon before a headhunting expedition happen. So before sila manghunting, they will perform first the ritual dance, and this Mangayaw dance is also for revenge or economic survival, or ilaha nila i-perform through Thanksgiving rasad gihapon for a bountiful marriage, birth, sometimes a feast. We have here the Pinuhag from Aita or Ita. When we say Pinuhag, it is a comic dance of the Aitas of Bicol where they imitate the movement of bees. A shadow of being nomads where bees transfer from one place to another to look for food. This dance of Aitas of Bicol, where they are imitating the movement of bees, as you notice, di ba? Ang bees is a nomads. Kay ang bees are transferring from one flower to another just to look for food. So, same ang mga Aitas sa Bicol. They are also nomads. They have no permanent address because sila mas pabor para sa ila source of food ngadto na sila mo stay. transferring from one place to another just for survival or just to look for food. So, mo na siya ang pinuhag. Mo na ang pinuhag, mo na nag-represent sa pinuhag nga dance. So, we're going to go to Mindanao groups. We have here the Ginom. It is from Bagubo. It is a dance ritual asking the help of their supernatural beings or sometimes give thanks for the bountiful harvest. It's a religious reenactment of their spiritual beliefs that govern their lives. Ginom is a dance ritual of asking help to their supernatural beings or sometimes giving thanks or thanksgiving for their bountiful harvest. As sila'y same sila gamay sa bumaya or dinuya dance sa Ifugao. Ang difference lang is ang bumaya, thanksgiving for having a bountiful marriage and birth, while ang Ginom is a thanksgiving sa ilaha pag thanksgiving about si ilaha bountiful harvest for sa planting sa bali abunda ila harvest ana nga kuan mo na ilang the way sila mo hatag sa ilahang pasalamat. So mo na siya. Next we have the Binaylan Banog or the Banog-Banog. Is originally from Bukidnon. It is an imitation dance of the big bird called Banog. It is the adaptation of environmental factor where banogs are commonly found strongly to be imitated. It is a dance which imitate the big bird called Banog. Amo na ko na siya ang wali ang i-represent ana is ang dako nga bird nga gitawag og banog. As you can see, awas sa ilaha costume, di ba? The dance costume nila is just like a bird, nga dako nga bird. It is the meaning is it is an adaptation or of environmental factors where banogs are commonly found strongly to be imitated. This dance makaingon ta nga says we must be strong enough in everything, just like banog. Diba? Strong kayo sila muna siya ang i-emphasize sa banog. Next, we have here the Suyad Buya. Suyad Buya is from the Manobo. It is a trance dance for healing purposes. It is a paganistic activity to heal. Suyad Buya is a trance dance or a dance for healing purposes. If someone is naisakit or nagkasakit, para maayos sila og dali mo na yung ilabuhaton, they will perform the Suyad Buya dance for healing different illness. Kay sa ilaha, murag dili uso ang kanang pagpa-check up. Sa unang panahon, murag dili uso man ang check up, wala pa'y doctor. Nga mas mo prefer sila sa ilahang traditional or ilahang ritual dance for healing. Mga ilang buhaton. Ilan ni i-perform if someone got sick or na mga lain nga gipamati, mura ni ilahang the way of kanang unsaon pagpaayo sa mga sakit-sakit. Next, we will go to Muslim groups. We have here the Singkil. Singkil is originally from Maranao. Singkil is a royal dance of the prince and a princess inspired from the Darangan epic. It is a dance with boundaries of religious and societal demands depicted in the dance. So as you can see, a princess rather, it is about the princess and a prince dance. Boundaries are religious and societal demands depicted na siya sa dance. Ano siya? Next, we have the Pindulas. Pindulas is from Yakan. It is an imitative dance of a fish, showing a window of people's lifestyle as seafarers or divers of the sea. When we say Pindulas, siya a dance like a fish. It symbolizes the people's lifestyle as seafarers or divers of the sea. Pindulas dance shows or represent their lifestyle or source of food, which is fishing. Muna siyang about fish ang ilahang dance or movement sa fish. Kaya maoman ang ilahang source of income or source of food, muna ilahag represent through dancing. Lastly, we have here the Sagayan Silat. It is originally from Maguindanao. It is a martial and combat dance of a warrior ready to defend lady love or the royal princess. A showcase of bravery and courage. Sagayan silat rather. This kind of dance show how a warrior ready to defend lady love or her love for the princess. By performing the Sagayan Silat, this dance, the warrior prove themselves on how brave they are just to defend or just to prove their love to someone. Mo na ilaha perform to prove their feelings or their love to the prince. Just like sa ato, diba, to prove how they prove how a man prove their love to a lady is to namamisita sa balay, mga culture sa una is kanang magkabuong tubig, magbukaog kahoy. Ang sa ila is i-express nila through dancing, through Sagayan Silat dance. So, that's all for this discussion. Thank you for listening. God bless.